Welcome to Conquer Cravings. This short tutorial should give you all the information you need to see if this is the right plan for your lifestyle. So a little background. Conquer Cravings is actually a combination plan made up of 1, 2, 3 success, turnaround, and momentum. These were the original points-based programs that WW released in the late 90s, early 2000s. There is 3 considerations to calculating a food score in this program: calories, fat, and fiber. That's it. This plan has the smallest 0-bite list of any of them, but it does still have one containing many non-starchy vegetables. One of the other things was this was the first program to introduce weekly points. Now, everyone will get a variable amount of daily points, but weeklies are 35 for everybody, and they do not reduce as you lose weight. One of the other things that sets this program apart is that in order to meet your daily calorie goal, most people need to be eating between 75 and 100% of their weeklies while they're doing the weight loss portion. As you get closer to goal, it's not so much, but it is very easy to be under 1,000 calories a day if you're not careful with this. As a pro member, you can track your calories as a secondary metric and keep an eye on it, or you could track it in a secondary program. But with this program, more than any other, it is advisable that you at least keep a check on it a couple of times a week and make sure that you're getting the right amount of calories. Okay, so on this program, fruit is counted, as is all of your eggs, chicken, yogurt, peas, beans, corn. This has a very small 0 list. But other than that, there aren't any other special rules. So the blended fruit rule doesn't apply because you count fruit anyway. And the roasted toasted rule that applies in Better Balance does not apply here. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, who is this plan best for? This was around for a long time and has been successful for a tremendous amount of people. And the biggest reason most people attribute to that success is that this plan helps you focus on portion control more so than anything else. It's not that any particular food is weighted heavier or penalized more or anything like that, although fiber, the higher the fiber, the better a food score will be on this plan. In general, if you're looking for accountability and portion control, this is a fantastic plan for that. It really helps you with having the most structure of any of the plans. The most structure, the most accountability, the least 0-bite foods. Okay, so who does that work for? Well, while it can apply to anybody, whether you are doing heart healthy or diabetic or low sodium or low cholesterol, all of these things can be worked in Cravings because it tends to be a pretty straightforward plan. So if you decide, yes, this is what I want this accountability, how do I switch? Well, it is one of our free programs, and although Pro does give you more features, like watching your calories as well, you can do this for free in the app straight out of the box. All you're going to do is tap your profile icon in your bottom right-hand corner, and then tap the settings wheel in the top right-hand corner. Go into weight loss plan, and then tap weight loss plan again. You're going to come down and select Conquer Cravings. Hit save, and you are all done. Now, we have a main Itrackbites participants group, which will be extremely helpful in learning the ins and outs of the app. And we do have a group for each individual plan as well, where you can find tons of support and other people that are following to make things easier for you. Otherwise, it is all pretty straightforward.